The executive director, Bro Matthew Shingwaja, says employers cannot be held responsible if an employee gets infected anywhere. Therefore, the need for them to take personal responsibility.
What we get from Ministry of Health and World Health Organization is that everybody should take responsibility to make sure that the virus is contained, it is under control, and that is that we should keep our working environment safe and health.
However, he says employers can provide a safe working environment by putting prevention measures in place as directed by the Ministry of Health and Social Services. These include recommended sanitizers, masks, social distance, and disinfecting of areas in case of an infection.
Workplace for a driver is a truck, or it's a minibus, it's a taxi. That's his workplace. So a workplace of a construction worker is the site. So it should be understood in that bigger context that there should be washing hands, provision of buckets and whatever container you can have with the soap and water. Sanitizers should be accessible.
Shingwaja further says, although working environments differ from white-collar workers to manual labor, the same methods apply to all in terms of having COVID-19 prevention measures.
The tricky part of it when it comes to the world of work, people keep on saying distancing, which is fine. I have no problem with that. But you see, there are certain areas where you can't, even if you want. The working environment does not allow that. And that's where we have to be very careful as employers, as workers, to look at our working environment and say, what can work for us here to be protected? And also to curb the spread of the virus. So it should be work specific. The principles are given, but when it comes to work, at least one have to look at the working environment himself or herself and say, what can we do here?
Selima Henok, NBC News, Windhoek.